Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to 7th class IIT Physics online class. Okay, so last class what we discussed? We discussed about the trigonometric values questions, is it now? So I gave some homework, also some questions. We discussed how to remember the values. Okay, some standard angles values compulsory you had to remember, because most of the questions will be based on that trigonometric standard angles values only. Okay, so last class also we discussed some exercise question, and this class also we are going to discuss some exercise questions. I gave you some homework. I hope you all tried that one. Okay, so why? Because you have to do, children. Once you will do, then only you will get doubts, and when I will clarify the doubts, then you can understand it very easily. Clear? So let's see the questions what given. First question I gave: 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 cos square 30 degree minus 10 square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So see, children, you must know the values. Okay, cos 60 is equal to what? Cos 60 degree, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Okay, so 5 here nothing means multiplication. 5 into cos 60 degree whole square. Cos square 60 degree means cos 60 whole square. So cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 multiplied by cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree means cos 30 whole square. Cos 30 whole square how much? Cos 30 value? Yes, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. See, children, here what given? Cos square 30. Cos square 30 means cos 30 whole square. So cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square minus 10 square 45 degree means 1045 whole square. 1045 how much? 1045 1. 1045 1 square whole divided by, now here see, sin square 30 degree cos square 30 degree. What is this identity? You read already, no? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Theta will be any value of theta. So here what is the theta? Theta is 30 degree. Is it not? Theta is equal to 30 degree. Any value of theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to 1. Directly we can write. Now solve this. 5 into 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus 4 into root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. That is 3 by 4. Once again I will say, children, see, root 3 whole square. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3 by 4 square minus 1. Okay. Whole divided by 1. Denominator is 1. So again no need to write, because denominator is 1. So no need to write. Now what is, see, 5 by 4. And here see, 4 cancel. Okay, so here this is by mistake written here. Root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 by 4. Okay, into 4 cancel. How much here? Plus 3 minus 1. So how much? 5 by 4. 3 minus 1, 2. Is it? Now take LCM. 4 and 1, 4. So here 5 plus 1 4 ja 8. Is it? 1 4 ja 4. 4 into 2 8. 13 by 4. So your answer is 13 by 4. Clear? Now see, children, the second question is what? Second question given: 2 into 10 square 30 plus 1 plus 10 square 30. 2 into 10 30 whole square. 10 30 how much? 10 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square. 10 square 30 means 1030 whole square. So 1030 value what? 1 by root 3 whole square, whole divided by 1 plus 10 square 30 same 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 into 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, 1 by 3. In numerator became 2 by 3. Denominator take the LCM, 3 plus 1 by 3. So how much? 2 by 3. Here 4 by 3. Okay, 3 cancel. 2 by 4, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Answer is 1 by 2. Clear? Answer is 1 by 2. And here options are given, some options are given. So here sin 30 value is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is given. Your answer how much came? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value of sin 30 and cos 60. So you can write this one as sin 30 degree also or cos 60 degree also. Cos 60 also 1 by 2. Sin 30 also 1 by 2. So your answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 also equal to sin 30 or cos 60. Clear? So write down children these. You must pause the video and write down. After writing, again continue the video. Clear? So children, next question is what? 1 minus 10 square 45 whole divided by 1 plus 10 square 45. Okay, so you can see now children, every question consists the values of standard angles. If you don't know the value of standard angles, you can't do the sums. That compulsory you should have in your mind, because this value chart will not be given in the question paper. So 1045 how much? 1045 is equal to 1, is it? So 1 minus 1045, 10 square 45 means 1045 whole square. So 1045 how much? 1 whole square, 10 square 45. Now whole divided by 1 plus 10 square 45 again. So 1045 whole square, 1045 how much? 1 square. So see, 1 minus 1 square 1 by 1 plus 1 square 1. Up 1 minus 1 0 by 1 plus 1 2. 0 by 2, 0 by any number is equal to 0. Is it? 0 by any number is equal to 0. Now you see the options. What are the options given? So option is D. D option is 0. Okay. So your answer is 0. Clear. Okay. Now next question. See, fourth question what is given? 2 10 square 30. Sorry. 2 10 30 by 1 minus 10 square 30. So 2 into nothing means multiplication. 2 into 1030. 1030 is equal to what? 1030 value 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 10 square 30 means 1030 whole square. 1030 value 1 by root 3 whole square. So 1 into 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. How much? 1 by 3. So 2 by root 3. Here take the LCM. 3 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by root 3. Here 2 by 3. Okay, how much? 2 by root 3 into reciprocal. 3 by 2. 2 cancel. What is this? 3 by root 3. You see, 3 is equal to what? Root 3 into root 3. 3 we are writing or not? Root 3 into root 3. 3 we are writing. So 3 plus root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Cancel. How much left? Root 3 value, right? Root 3 is equal to what? In 10, 60. Is it or not? 1030 1 by root 3, 1060 root 3. So answer is root 3, that is also equal to tan 60 degree. Clear, children? Now next question. Next question, see children, what is given? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Whether it is true or not for these values. So in these value, out of these value, for which value of a, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Okay, so you have to check for every values and you will see first you will get it. I will show you. See LHS. What is LHS? Sin 2a. Is it? Means sin 2 into a is what? 0. So sin 2 into 0, 0. Sin 0 how much? 0. Is it no? Sin 0, 0. LHS we got 0. RHS how much? See. RHS is equal to 2 sin a. 2 sin a means 2 into sin a. Sin a how much? 0. What is a value? We have taken first one. A equal to 0. So sin 0, 0. 2 into 0. That is 0. LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS came, no children. So your first answer A equal to 0. This is true for A equal to 0. Okay. Let's do one more angle. Second one, when A is equal to 30 degree. Okay, check it. LHS. LHS what? Sin 2A. Sin 2 into 30 means sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree how much? Sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 sin 60. RHS how much? RHS 2 sin A. 2 into sin A. Sin A how much A? 30. So 2 into sin 30. Sin 30 value how much? 1 by 2. 2 to cancel equal to 1. So you can see LHS equal to root 3 by 2 whereas RHS equal to 1. Both the values are not same. Is it? So this is not true for second value. So answer is first one, A equal to 0. You also can try for A equal to 45 and A equal to 60 also. Clear, children? Now let's see other question. While writing the notes, children, please pause the video and write down the notes written on the board and then continue the video. Now see children, the next question, question number 6. If 10a plus b is equal to root 3 and 10a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 and what is given a plus b, sum of a plus b should be greater than 0 and less than 90 and a is what? Greater than b. Then find a and b. You have to find a and b values. Clear? So first what is given? 10 a plus b is equal to root 3. Okay, 10 a plus b is root 3. Root 3 is a value for 10 which angle, children? Root 3, 10 60 degree. Yes, 10 60 equal to root 3. 10 60 is equal to root 3. In place of root 3, I can write 10 60 degree because 10 60 equal to root 3. It means what? 10 a plus b is equal to 10 60 degree. So a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Very important question, children. Okay. Like this type questions also coming. 10 a plus b equal to 10 60. Then a plus b equal to 60 degree. Let it equation number 1. Now second is what? 10 a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. So 10a minus b. 1 by root 3 is value for 10, 30 degree. Very good. 1 by root 3 is a value of 10, 30 degree. It means a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Is it? This is equation number 2. A plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. Clear? So next what we'll do? Adding equation 1 and 2. Both the equations you add. A plus b, first LHS plus second RHS, a minus b. First RHS 60 degree, second RHS plus 30 degree. So plus b minus b cancel. A plus a plus a 2a equal to 90 degree. 2a equal to 90 degree. Then a is equal to what? Here see 2a means 2 into a. So a equal to 90 by 2. Here multiplication, that side division. So 90 by 2, 45 degree. So a equal to 45 degree we got. Now we have to find b. Okay, so this value of a, substitute in equation b. Okay, substituting value of a in equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus b equal to 60 degree. A is equal to 45 plus b equal to 60. B is equal to, here plus, that side minus, 60 minus 45. 15 degree. So b equal to 15. So a equal to 45 and b is equal to 15. Now you check, see what is given, sum of a plus b. A plus b how much? A is 45 plus b is 60 degree. Is it? Sum of a and b is 60 degree. So a plus b sum is greater than 0 and less than 90. This is satisfied. Again what is given? A should be greater than b. So a is 45, b is 15. So a is also greater than b. So both the conditions are satisfied. So what is our answer? A equal to 45 and b equal to 15. So this is for today. Today what children we discussed? We discussed some exercise questions, some important questions. Clear? So here our concept 2 is completed. Next class we will start concept 3. Thanks for watching.